Welcome to AI Advantage for Small Business, the podcast where we help U.S. small business owners use artificial intelligence practically, responsibly, and profitably. On this show, we focus on real-world AI use cases, not hype, not fear, and not tech jargon. Our goal is simple, to show you how AI can save time, reduce friction, and support your team without replacing the human side of your business. Whether you're just getting started with AI or trying to make smarter decisions about tools and automation, you're in the right place. Let's get into today's episode.
Imagine a new hire accidentally voiding 40 receipts in 1 hour because they didn't know a one-step check. And you fix that exact mistake with a 2-minute printed SOP that saves you hundreds next week. That's the scale we're talking about.
Promise. In the next 8 minutes, we'll give you a weekend pilot you can run with a phone and a shared doc, a single measurement plan to prove ROI, and a staff buy-in checklist so people know this is about protecting jobs and making work easier, not replacing them.
Topic 1. Capture tacit knowledge safely. Step 1 is picking who to interview. Start with one high-impact task, the 10% of tasks that cause 80% of customer complaints or rework. Talk to the person who does it day to day and a manager who checks it. Ask for a quick walkthrough on their phone. A recorded screen or a short voice note is fine.
A practical rule: keep interviews under 10 minutes. Open with a friendly line like, "Walk me through exactly what you check when X happens." Use prompts that produce human answers, not technical jargon. For example, what's the first thing you look at? What are common errors you watch for? When would you call a manager? These are the raw steps we'll turn into SOP language.
When you feed that transcript to an AI assistant, use a human-friendly prompt. Example, summarize this walkthrough into 3 clear action steps, each under 15 words, and list 2 common mistakes to avoid. That keeps the output focused and testable. And always mark sensitive parts out. No customer names, no employee personal data. Keep privacy rules simple. Never record or store personal identifiers, and use role-based access to the draft SOPs.
Addressing staff fear up front is critical. Before you record, say, "We're doing this to make your job easier and to capture your expertise. You'll review and approve anything that gets published." Invite them to co-author. That transparency turns potential resistance into active participation.
Topic 2. Turn summaries into living SOPs and micro-training. Keep every SOP short. Think 60 to 120 seconds when read aloud. Start with a 1-line purpose, then 3 steps: when, do, check. Example, when a customer requests a refund, do XYZ. Check, receipt visible, manager approval required for amounts over $50. Follow with the 2 common mistakes we pulled from the interview.
For micro-training, create a 90-second script staff can listen to or watch. Use the same language in the SOP so the training and the procedure match. A simple format: 1-sentence intro, 60 seconds of steps read slowly, then a 15-second tip and a prompt to confirm understanding. Keep it conversational. Here's the quick way to check the till, not Procedure 3.1.2.
Approval gates. AI drafts must be validated by the frontline expert and the manager before publishing. Put that approval in the shared doc as a sign-off line. I confirm this reflects current practice, employee name, date, and manager name, date. That human gate prevents subtle AI errors from becoming hazards.
And an edit workflow that's lightweight. 1. Capture, phone note. 2. Draft, AI summarizes. 3. Review, staff plus manager. 4. Publish, print, pin, or upload. Assign a single owner for each SOP, someone responsible for the 6-week check. This avoids the no one owns it problem.
Topic 3. Embed and measure. Low-tech delivery wins. Print a 1-page cheat sheet by the workstation. Post a short version in your ops chat, or send via SMS for on-the-spot help. The goal is immediate access, not another app to learn.
Pick one ROI metric and keep it simple: time saved per task or error reduction rate. For a weekend pilot, measure the time it takes to complete the task before and after the SOP, or count errors over a week. Example, till balancing errors dropped from 6 to 1 in a week after the SOP. That's a clear win you can point to.
The 6-week review cadence is non-negotiable. Every published SOP gets a calendar reminder. Week 2, check-in. Week 6, review. Then quarterly. If something changed on the floor, update the single source doc and rerun the short micro-training. This keeps SOPs living, not archived.
Action Minute, the 60-second checklist you can run this weekend. 1. Pick one high-impact task. 2. Record a 5 to 10-minute walkthrough on a phone. 3. Paste the transcript into an AI prompt, summarize into 3 action steps and 2 common mistakes. 4. Send draft to the staff member and manager for sign-off. 5. Publish a 1-page cheat sheet by the workstation. 6. Measure baseline time or errors and set a calendar for a 6-week review.
Quick recap. Capture short, testable steps from the people who do the work. Use AI to draft concise SOPs and micro-training. Require human sign-off, publish low-tech, and measure one clear metric. For a downloadable pilot template and example prompts, visit our site to grab the checklist and a fillable sign-off doc.
Outro to AI Advantage for Small Business. If there's one takeaway from today's episode, it's this. AI is here to support your business and your people, not replace them. The goal isn't to chase every new tool or automate everything overnight. It's to make thoughtful decisions that save time, reduce friction, and help your business run better without losing the human touch. If today's conversation helped, share this episode with another small business owner. Until next time, focus on progress over perfection and use technology in a way that works for you, your team, and your customers. Use AI to support people, not replace them. Next episode, how to turn those SOP wins into priceable services you can sell. Think revenue, not just savings. You'll want to hear that one.